Hey guys, this is just a quick little review. I haven't seen much information on these jigs, and so I wanted to provide that. Now, this is the Woodpeckers Universal Cross Dowel Jig, and then this is the Cross Dowel Jig by WEN. I've heard great things about their tools, but this has not been a winner in my opinion. Now, this comes in right around $20. This comes in for about $200. So it is 10 times the cost, and the question is it worth it? Now, I will say you can get a cheaper version that only has a couple collets. Depending on what you're doing, that might be fine. You can save yourself, I think, like 60 bucks. I decided to go with the deluxe version just because I need the bigger things, because this wood over here, I am turning this into a bunk bed, and I need something really thick and heavy duty to create a joint like this. Now, this was the side it came out, the drill bit, so it's a little bit torn, but you know, you can disassemble and reassemble it. So let's get back to this right here. Now, one thing I love about this is, look at the difference in the height. So this is the Woodpeckers, this is the WEN. It's plain to see that this is so much, there we go, a lot taller. I mean, it's, I think, more than double the depth. So that's gonna make it more accurate. Now, if we take this right here, and I'm one-handed, but let's see if I can get this. There's not much play in it. There really isn't. So in here though, there is a lot of play. In fact, there's like nothing that fits this. So let's see here, try to use it with this one right here. You know, this, okay, maybe that's the wrong one. This one right here. So let's take a peek. Yeah, there's way too much slop. I mean, I think I was getting like about maybe a quarter inch or more of travel, so not very good. So in the end, yes, I did have to pay more to get this, but it actually works like it should. And it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if this is cheap if it doesn't do what it's supposed to do. Now, another thing I like about it is because it is bigger, I can actually have more clamping options. So that's really important for me because you want to keep this held down. One clamp is not enough. I can clamp two on each side. So a lot more options for clamping, making it more secure because, you know, it's expensive to make mess ups. And when you're getting paid for a job, that's profit you're losing. So hopefully this helps you guys. If you're interested in the cross dowel jig, I do recommend it. It is not cheap, but it does the job.